Good day to all. Today we discuss the topic about tensile test specimen making with wire-EDM machine. How do we make this? Let's see. It is the wire-EDM machine. It is controlled make wire-EDM machine. This machine model is DK7732 wire-EDM machine. This machine has components like this and which can be operated by wire software with concord wire-cut EDM developer software. Why we need this kind of wire-cut EDM machine means we can cut the test specimens, tensile test and the impact test specimens we can cut with this machine. And also we can use this machine for this kind of close tolerance assembly. Here you see how the component is assembled with each other. This kind of close tolerance assembly cutting can be possible with this kind of wire cut EDM process. How do we operate that machine? Yes, we can see with our professor Dr. T.S. Sendil Kumar. How do we operate that machine and how do we develop the model with the available wire software? Let's see.
Okay. Good morning to all. Now we are going to see about the working process of our wire-EDM wire electrical discharge machining process. For that, nowadays the technology has been developed. For if you want to cut a piece in the wire cut EDM process, first we need to draw a diagram using the AutoCAD software. After drawing the diagram in AutoCAD software, the file should be saved in the .dxf file format. After that, drawing the diagram, we need to copy and paste in this system. This system is used for only for wire cut EDM process. After pasting that DXF file, we need to open the NCCAD software. This NCCAD software will read the diagram and generate the CNC code. First, we need to open this NCCAD software, and from the in the software we need to select the file option. In the file option, we need to select the import AutoCAD DXF file. Earlier I told about the DXF. This software will read only the DXF file. Okay. After clicking the DXF, these are the model diagrams which I have converted into DXF file. First, I will select about the tensile test. Okay. Tensile test, and then we need to give the open option, and this is the zoom out all option. By clicking this, we can see about the object. This object is the notch. After converting the diagram into DXF file, we need to open this NCCAD software. This NCCAD. This software is used to convert the code like a MATLAB code. First, we need to click the file option and then the import AutoCAD DXF file. As earlier I told that the diagram should be in the DXF file format. This NCCAD file format will read only the DXF file format. We need to click the import AutoCAD DXF file, and then we need to select the diagram where I have. For example, I will show about this tensile piece. This is the DXF file format. By clicking open, the diagram will be visible. Then we need to click the wire-EDM option in the above. After that, we need to click about the create path 1. This create path 1 is used to define the travel motion of the wire. First, we need to select the starting point. For example, I will select this point as a starting point. By clicking this starting point, the x and y axis reading will be changed. This relatively absolute means this absolute point. Relative means the wire lead length. It's also known as the lead length. This lead length is used to determine for how much the wire need to travel, and then the process will be start. For example, I am giving -5. Now you can see the point has been changed. The wire will be start at 5 and reaching this point the work will be start. For that we need, for all the diagram we need to give the this relative unit. It may be as -5, -10, it depends upon our option. And then we need to click the next, and then we need to select the absolute point from where the wire should be get started. I am clicking this option, and then we need to select about the direction from right side or left side. After clicking the direction, the diagram will be changed into blue color. This blue color denotes the wire traveling path. Then we need to give next and finish, and then we need to click the wire-EDM and create path 2. This option is used to give the, if you want to mention the offset point, offset like that, boss length and the cutting times. For that we this boss length or offset will already know. Offset length is you can give maximum about 5 This boss length is used only when we increase the number of cut times. Now we are not increasing the number of cut times. The cutting time is one time only. Then we need OK button, and giving the OK button we need to click the left click and right click using the mouse on the image. Left click and right click. While clicking pressing the left click, the diagram will be dotted. Then we need to press the right click. Then the diagram will be changed into red color. After that we need to go again the wire-EDM option, and then we need to send to the click the send path to wire cut. The send path to wire cut means this diagram should be feed into the wire-EDM software. Okay, first we need to click about the send path to wire cut, and then this dialog box will open. The dialog box is used to start the process. Before starting the process, we can check the demo option by clicking the demo, and then we need to click again the left click and right click using the mouse on the image. After clicking that, the demo will be the file name. The file will be shown as the demo. We need to check that it is a demo or working process. This is the demo. After confirming it, we need to give the work start process. This arrow mark shows that the wire will be follow this path only. The blue color line indicates the completed path, and yellow color denotes the remaining path. By this direction only the wire will be passed. Before starting any diagram or any process, we need to check the demo process. Once the task finishes shown, we need to click the OK button and close this demo one. And then again in the NCCAD software, we need to click the wire-EDM option and send path to wire cut, and then we need to click the Ramakrishnan tab for starting the process. And after clicking the Ramakrishnan button, we need to select the click the left click. We need to press the left click and right click in the mouse on the image. Left click, and this is the left click and the right click. After clicking that, the diagram will be automatically feed into the wire-EDM software. By checking the tab option here, we can confirm that the process will be start. Then one more thing, this in all process there are the process parameter. In wire cut item also the process parameter. The process parameter can be changed in the below option. This is the pulse on time, pulse off time, current, wire cut, voltage. These are the 5 process parameter only we can change in this machine. Pulse on time means the sparking on time. it will be in microseconds only. And pulse of time means the electrical and the discharge energy will be cut off for 8 to 12 microseconds only, and the current is the ampere, unit is ampere. We can select the any number, depends upon our usage. And this is the wire speed. Wire speed is 0 to 3. 0 means high speed, 3 means lower speed. If you want to change the voltage, you can also click the low voltage or high voltage, anything. After selecting all these options, we need to click the update and OK. Now the updated process parameter will be changed. If we click the, if you want, then we can start the working process. If you want to start the working process, we need to click the work start option. Work start option, start. We need to check the start, if it is selected as start, and then we need to select check the direction, it is forward or backward. Then we can give OK. This is the overall wire-EDM machine, and these are the two levers. This is the y-axis lever and this is the x-axis lever. By using this lever, we need to set the where the work should be start. For example, I am moving the, if we move the lever in the anti-clockwise direction, the wire will move backward, and if we move the lever in the clockwise direction, the wire will be moved the forward. Likewise also in the y direction, this is the wire. The diameter of the wire is so thin. The minimum diameter is 0.26. Minimum diameter is 0.18 mm and maximum diameter is 0.26 mm. By this wire only the machining will be get started. Now we can start the working process. For that working process, as earlier I told that we need to click the work start option. After clicking that work start option, the tab will be get open. We need to check the whether it is start and the direction is forward. Then we need to click the OK button. After clicking the OK button, the green color light will be shown here, and then machine will be get started. After giving the start option, the machine will be get started. First, initially I told the lead length, about the lead length. First, the wire will be traveled up to 5 mm, and then only the wire will be start moving in the tensile path. The tensile path is first given in the wire cut path 1. The machine is done. The machining process is done using this spark only. This spark is generated by the this spark is known as the discharge energy. This discharge energy is generated because of the workpiece is connected to the negative terminal and the wire is connected to the positive terminal. When the positive terminal and the negative terminal get closer, a plasma tunnel will be created. Once the plasma tunnel is created, the photons will be generated from the positive electrode and the electrons will be generated from the negative electrode. This photon and electron get closer, the plasma tunnel gets to expand. Once the plasma tunnel expands, discharge energy is formed. By this discharge energy only, the material is removed. Once the discharge energy is created, the spark will be a visible spark will be formed. This spark will be high temperature with about of 1000 degrees Celsius. This spark will be generated for only a microsecond only. This microsecond is pulse on time. In this wire cut EDM, we will say about wire is only the tool electrode, and wire will be acting as a tool. This wire is winded in a drum, and it is a reusable one. This is the drum. In the drum only the wire will be feeded, and it will be moved forward and backward direction. And by using this in the forward and backward direction only, the wire is reused. The wire should be replaced once in 15 days. 15 days.
This is the wire cut EDM process. Thank you very much for listening.